Why do plants need to make food? Like all living things, plants also need food to live and grow in size. They also need food to produce flowers, fruits, and seeds. Plants are different from animals. Unlike animals, they produce their own food and hence do not move around to find food. Therefore, plants are called producers. Other living things depend directly or indirectly on plants for their nutrition. Most plants make food in their leaves because leaves have a green-colored substance called chlorophyll, which is used by plants to make food. Besides leaves, soft green stems, which contain chlorophyll, can also produce food for the plants. How do plants make food? A major component of food is a group of substances called carbohydrates. They are the main source of energy for all living things. Plants make food in the form of glucose, a carbohydrate in their leaves. To make glucose, a plant requires water. The roots absorb water from the soil, and carbon dioxide. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The leaves trap energy from sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. Plants use this energy to make food glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. The process by which leaves convert water and carbon dioxide into food with the help of sunlight is termed as photosynthesis. Word phot means light and synthesis means putting together. During photosynthesis, plants use up carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. This is of great help to us, as too much of carbon dioxide causes the earth to get warmer. How do plants store the excess food? Since sunlight is available freely, plants often make more food than they need. The leaves send the food to the other parts of the plant through the stem. The plant uses a part of the food for growth and to make flowers and fruits. The extra food is changed to starch and stored in seeds, fruits, leaves, stems, and roots. We eat these parts as food. Starch stored in seeds, peas, food grains such as rice and pulses, and dry fruits such as almonds and cashew nuts. Food stores in fruits, apples, oranges, and also vegetables such as tomato, brinjal, and so on. Leaves, spinach, mint, and cabbage. Stems, potato, ginger, onion, and sugar cane. Roots, carrot, radish, and turnip.
See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates.